What's up, people? Today I'm on my way to BWoody Performance in Abington, Maryland. I need to get my alignment done, but first I need to stop by their shop and pick up a part. And then 5 minutes from BWoody is the dealership, and they're going to realign my car. About a year ago, we had the alignment done right after we were at BWoody shop for our full BWoody suspension kit that we had installed. And for whatever reason, the front camber plate and the control arm bolt came loose. Everything was really, really loose. So to err on the side of caution, they're going to replace the part. They're just going to give me a free part, which is awesome of Breanna and Mike. So that's what we're doing now. But it's an hour and a half drive, so we're going to have to perform a little bit of movie magic here. Ready? I'm going to count to 3, and we're going to be at BWoody shop. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at that. What? Oh, that's got to be Breanna's car. That is awesome. All right, we're going to pop in here real fast. Like I said, we can't stay more than a minute, but we're just gonna run in. I love this place. These guys are awesome. All right, let's go in and see them. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Damn, that's so awesome. Here's BWoody Performance. I love that. Look, send that shit. What's up? Hello. How you doing? Thank you so much. Got my part. Where is Pop around today?
You prefer the Challenger?
I like them both, to be honest with you. Look at they all match. Look at this.
No.
Send that shit.
No, go to mine.
Oh, look at.
I love the rat. I live for the rat.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. Where's Dad at today?
I'll go grab him.
Oh, he's in? Awesome.
Yeah.
Look at this. That is freaking awesome. Yeah, so we just stopped here to grab the bracket kit. This must be Mike's other truck. Look at that. Family of Mopars. So badass. Wait for Mike to come out real fast, and then I have to hurry up and get down the road to the dealership to get this part put on and get my alignment set up. But this is where the magic happens down here in Maryland.
I'm gonna go pull my car next year so we can get a front end Friday.
Nice.
This is nice.
This is awesome. Yeah, that's a good idea. We're gonna get some photo opportunity here. I'm gonna grab my phone. I can't wait to hear this. Yo, there he is. Oh my, holy smokes. Did you guys hear that? I mean, why would I expect anything less? Seriously. That firing up sounded badass. This is Mike. How you been, brother?
Good, how are you?
All right. This is the man who got me all, what's that?
COVID-19 free zone.
No, don't you like my virus rap? I don't know.
Well, my two-wheel drive F-150, it got COVID-19, so, but I don't know what happened. I washed it off and it grew to an F-350.
Jesus Christ, look at this thing. When's this going to get like a supercharger?
Oh, it's not, dude. That's pulling the beast around. The beast made 1,275 wheel horsepower, 1,189 foot-pounds of torque.
What?
O2 sensor took a shit, and the run ended at 5,800 RPM. The truck winds out to 8,000.
Dorian, I don't know what to tell you. Oh my God.
They put it back on the dyno on Monday.
Right.
Matt did, because it's down in Daytona right now.
Right.
Put it back on the dyno on Monday. It's been eating transmissions left and right.
Really?
TH400. Wednesday or Thursday next week.
Yeah.
We're going down. We're putting a turbo 400.
When you heading over to Cecil?
That's probably not going to be till like the end of July.
Yeah, you know what? No rush with the heat. I mean, come on. I mean, the DA is going to be crap.
I'll run Dorian on low boost.
I'm in no rush.
On low boost, it made like 1100.
Oh my Lord.
Or no, sorry, 1140 on low boost. But like I said, that run, the O2 sensor, actually what it did was it lost signal.
Right.
So it defueled.
Ah, jeez.
And when it defueled, it put a fault code in, which like it puts a whole.
Are you skipping over to the 9s and going right for 8s with this thing? I mean, you're going right for the 7s. Wow, that's incredible.
That's what it's certified right now. It's certified for 749.
You'll definitely be able to get it done by the end of the season, right? So.
Oh yeah, it's going to be done. Well, we're going to finish because we didn't expect the 10R80 to take a shit.
Right.
It was built too. It was built. I had a machine case. I mean, I had a couple little spicy things done. Well, the spicy things didn't help.
Wow, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, it was kind of like some prototype stuff, and it was like, you know what, I can't take 2-3 weeks out, and I mean, I sent them the transmission back. I'm not going to say who did it, but they're making good on it.
Right.
You know what I mean? So
right.
They're building it again for me. So we're going to put a turbo 400, and I'm just going to sell my unit to somebody and tell them, say, look, don't exceed 1100 horsepower.
Wow.
Fine. But we didn't take it to the track.
I tell you what, since I got that rear end tightened down with the suspension kit, now the back end, if I'm in track mode, it burns them up. Like it'll take off. I got a little sideways last night coming out of work. Yeah, they're the AGs. This is just for driving around. I got to get the Pirellis off of the 510s that came with because they're lightweight, and I'm going to put the Nitto 420 Victors, the newer Nitto, on them.
I've got AG the same wheel in there, but in 20.
Really?
From mine. I only had 2 of them.
These are light, and honestly,
I'm trying to get rid of them for forever.
They did all right at the track. You know, I shouldn't be racing on 22s, but they did all right until we shit the bed with that axle blowing up on us. Other than that, it was she ran good.
That's a front end Friday if I've ever
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some shots. All right, I'm gonna get some quick shots, say goodbye to the family, and then head on down to the road to Mike's dealership that's taking care of me today again. All right, back in a second. All right, well, I'm waiting for the Jeep to get done. I'm sitting out here at Thompson, right in front of the service parts store. It's nicer out to sit out here because you see, look, beautiful out. Nice cool breeze, sunshine, man. Some days you just gotta sit back and appreciate things. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. So this is right down the street. There's that Toyota, Thompson Toyota, so it's right next door. I'm right down the street from BWoody Performance. Mask is getting in the way. I really want to thank Mike and Breanna for setting this up, and Thompson Jeep for doing the alignment. We're going to be running probably a little bit behind, so I'm going to be hustling my ass up I-95 North to get back to work. Don't know if I'm going to make it on time, but we'll try. So, a couple more minutes, and I think we'll be out of here. There it is. Just going to take it out on the street for a quick little rip, just to make sure everything's good to go. Okay. We'll hear him open it up. Come on, man, don't be shy, get on it. Listen, honestly, I wouldn't care if he would have launched it right now. I wanted to hear it. This place is awesome. Yeah, I recommend this dealership, but I would call Breanna at BWoody to set up an appointment. All right, this should be a quick little test drive. He's just going to take it for a spin and come right back. Literally got to just jump in and go. We are good to go. Asked him how everything is. Is y'all straight now?
All straight now.
Outstanding.
It's a very nice car.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Let me, I got to bounce right out.
Go right ahead.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. No problem. Definitely worth the drive down here. All right, now I got to make that hour-and-a-half drive back.
Yeah, you got a nice day there.
Take care. All right. Ooh, all right, here we go. Let's get our settings fixed. All right, we are good to go. Now, fingers crossed that traffic heading back up to Philly is good to go. All right, so I'm going to wrap this video up using the DJI Osmo Action. Absolutely love this new little camera that I've been using for a while now. You'll have to let me know if you like the audio. As you can see, I don't have my GoPro handy right now, so I'm going to wrap this up with this camera. I want to thank everybody at BWoody Performance, Mike Beavers, Breanna Beavers. Thank you so much for taking care of me today. Really recommend the shop. Love those guys. If you have any questions for her, got any of the parts, we do have a promo code on file with her.
Stay to the left.
East Coast Jeep SRT. Call them. She'll apply it. If you need a suspension kit, or if you need an alignment like I just had done today, call her. She'll set it up for you, okay? Also want to thank the dealership. I want to thank Ryan for taking care of me and the service tech. I don't remember his name. I apologize. But Thompson Jeep, Dodge, and Ram down there in Maryland. I'm not sure which part, but thank you again so much. If you guys have any questions for me concerning anything that I've said today,
to Hog Island Road.
Don't feel like, you know, your questions will go answered. I will try to respond to everybody. I really do try to respond to everybody, and sometimes if I take a while, apologies.
In 2.4
okay?
miles, turn left.
All right, so listen, I am wrapping this up because I'm getting in here to work. I gotta go. If you have any questions, shoot them below. If not, I'll talk to you all later. Do me a favor, before you go though, hit that like button, hit that little bell notification, and down in the corner, click the subscribe button. All right, guys and girls, be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.